Oh shit, there's a cat there. There we go. So today what we're going to do is me and Callum are going to go skating. We're going to go to Exeter Arena. We're going to get a couple of clips, a little bit of a POV drive on the way there. So let's just let the car warm up quickly. I filmed, so my 0 to 60 video, I filmed the whole thing, but then I realised I hadn't actually filmed it. And it was about 30 minutes worth of footage. That's why the video is so short. I forgot to click record. I thought I'd pressed it. It's sunny today.
It's a bright day.
Hopefully it'll warm up.
Hopefully, it is fucking freezing.
And we'll get some clips. Callum's obviously the better skater here. I've pretty much just started skating, so don't expect too many clips from me. Nice, they're gonna make a lot of noise, aren't they?
Apparently so.
Downshifting. Here we are at the skate park.
It's looking pretty dry as well.
Alright, so we're gonna get in some skating now. Sure, we'll get a couple of clips of Callum, maybe some clips of me if I can ride the skateboard, but we'll soon find out. So we've just finished up at the skate park. This is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed a couple of skate clips, a little bit of a POV drive, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed.